model, and we I just want to extract all this tag information. So just there is direct option in the AutoCAD. So just go to the insert tab and then extract command. If you have already created, then you can browse the previously extracted templates, or if you want to create, just create a new. Okay, just create new, then browse the folder path, tracking for S3 work area one. Next, so this is extracted all the information from the drawing. All other unnecessary item I will just uncheck. Okay, so checking done. So I just want to extract for these two blocks only. These two blocks, just select. Okay, and now you have to uncheck everything, and from here just take attributes, and from here this is the list of inside this block attributes, what are the informations here. So out of this information, for the time being, we don't need these two information, foundation depth and foundation ref type. Okay, and then I will select next. Block, some block are scale not found. Okay, this error just ignore. This is pole ID. So first we will bring pole ID in front, then it will be followed by the pole type, followed by pole type, then easting, and then northing. Distance, this is offset, and this is a station. And then finally, before extracting, we'll just from the pole ID, we'll just sort it. So from lower chainage to higher chainage, just sort it out. Now go to the next. Now we have to where we want to uh, extract the data. So you just have to browse the destination path. So here is my destination, and what is the file type you want. So I want this file type as it is, and S3 work area 1. Okay, so I just extract inside this and save it, hopefully. So we have just one extracted data. So if you see, the all the data is now extracted. These are our extracted data. So if you want to check, you can quickly check like 39603 WF 4B pole type. Okay, and this easting northing is this is northing is this one 1907 and 02, this one, and offset is here 25 feet, left empty 3, and this one is our station. So exactly extracted the data.